Welcome each and everyone to this online class. So, we are going to begin a new academic session 2021, and I will be uploading geography videos for your class. It is a kind request to each and every one of you that you attend the online class regularly. So in your first chapter, today in this video we shall learn about geographical features, that means representation of geographical features. This topic is helpful for you in 10th standard. That's why in the syllabus it has been introduced recently from class 6 onwards. So understanding the map by looking signs and symbols is that we are going to learn. So in the topographical survey maps, when we see and understand the topographical survey map, we can see that these survey maps are drawn on a large scale maps. They are drawn on a large scale maps to show the physical features and the man-made features. These topographical maps are drawn on a large scale maps to show the natural features or natural made features and the man-made features. The natural made features include hill elevation, or it is also known as height, the height of hill. It is also shown drainage pattern, where the river channels are flowing towards a particular region and towards a particular directions, how they can be understood by the pattern that is given on the topographical map. The trees which are surveyed by the government, they are given number of it, and that is how it is shown on the topographical map with the symbol of tree along with the number. Then it is shown about the vegetations, the forest cover. By looking at the topographical map, the persons can understand which area is having the forested area or the areas is covered with the vegetations with the various colors and symbols, and there are some conventional signs are being shown on the map to understand topographical map. Then we could see that on the topographical map the man-made features are shown. What are the man-made features? The towns, villages, roads, bridges, all these are shown on the topographical map, and there are some colors that is being utilized. Next is about, it is very useful for planning of roads, irrigation and town plans. So these topographical maps are very useful for planning of roads, the construction of roads. The area is elevated or it is bit highland area or lowland area, and for the construction of irrigations, the canals or the artificial supply of water to the agricultural field. Irrigation facilities are constructed for the areas where cultivation is done, and how they are planned by looking at the topographical map. So they know by looking at the topographical map, the engineers or the people who prepare that will come to know the height and the physical features of that area. Accordingly, they plan out in which directions how that has to be constructed. Then town plans. The town plannings are very important to make, right? So these are useful, the topographical maps are useful for all these things. Then also they are known as, how do we understand or how do we study, how do we interpret by symbols and signs. Many symbols are given in this chapter. So you need to learn all these symbols so that you understand how to read the topographical map. Then, what is the purpose of topographical maps? The purpose of topographical map is it helps us a guide for travel. The travelers, it will may help. Then it is helpful for military purposes. When the topographical maps are prepared, as it shows all the details about a particular area, and it is helpful for the mission of military purposes. Then we have, it is helpful for geography students for studying about different landscape, of studying about physical features. Topographical map is useful for surveying of any surface land. Then we have, it provides information to engineers, surveyors, town planners, tourists, geographers and geologists. So in many ways, topographical maps are useful for all these engineers, surveyors, town planners, tourists, geographers and geologists, because it gives more in detail in which area what all things are present, with the help of signs and symbols that you need to understand, and need to accordingly the engineers, surveyors or any other people that they do plan out. Then the topographical map is prepared by Survey of India Department. The headquarters is in Dehradun in Uttarakhand. So all the topographical map of India is prepared by the Survey of India Department. Remember this name, Sir George Everest, in whose name the Mount Everest is named. In whose name Mount Everest is named. He was the first famous surveyor of General of India. He was the first surveyor general of India. So this is the few introduction of the topographical survey maps, and you need to understand that topographical maps are drawn on a large scale maps to show the natural features and the physical natural features and the man-made features. And then it is helpful for many town planners, it is helpful for construction of roads, for planning of roads, irrigations, and it is helpful for military purposes as well as for geography students, as it provides more information about a particular area. It is also providing information about to engineers, to surveyors, to geographers, to about many details are being shown. So in that way it is helpful. Hope you have understood something about the introduction of topographical map. In the next video we shall discuss about the colors that is being used on the topo sheet, and each color will have different meaning, and these colors are universally used and accepted. Thank you so much for watching this video so patiently. Hope to see you in the next video. God bless you.